Hello guys, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your presence today. Today guys, we are going to, knit fairfishly and with this punch card, two color punch card knitting. And I'm going to knit with this punch card and use all these colors right here. You can see this will be my main color. The black will be my main color, and all these other one are going to be knitted against the black. And you can see what we have here. You can see this shape. So this is the background right here, and I'm going to mix the color of this shape right here. You can see here that this is one row and the second row. So these two rows is going to take one color, then these two rows is going to take another one, then this one is going to take another one, and this is going to take another one, and this one is going to take another one, and it's going to be against black background. So I promise you, you are going to love it. So it's going to be against black background. The purpose of this video is, if you have a punch card that have images, you can use this method to knit along with them, mixing your color with the punch card. So let's see how this is going to be. You can see what we have against all these colors. I'm going to install my punch card right now, and I've been doing that often on my video, so I'm just going to go straight and install. Then let's see how to knit with all this color with this punch card, guys. So guys, you can see the punch card being set right now. So I'm going to look for the beginning of the image by knitting, to check where the beginning of the image is. And I'm going to set my punch card at the beginning of the image, which is here. So I'm going to go ahead and set my punch card, in which I've checked before now, and I've set my punch card to the beginning of that image. Then I'm going to cast on with, black as my background color. Then casting on right now. That's it. I'm going to knit about 10 rows. So within that 10 rows, I'm going to inform my machine I'm knitting punch card, because this is broader knitting machine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then the 10th row, I'm going to turn this knob to inform the machine I'm into punch card knitting. Then I'm going to knit one row. Guys, you should remember that my punch card is on hold. So then now I'm going to, start to use the colors against this black. Then I'm going to open my punch card to green. I've been showing that most of my video that I've been using punch card. So I open it down to small. Then I'm going to get the green color comes first. Then I'm going to press the center button for two color pattern knitting. I'm going to knit right now. You can see the beginning of the pattern is 2 stitches each. So I'm going to knit 2 rows of this green right now. So 1, 2, that's it. Then I'm going to remove it and go ahead to yellow color and knit 2 rows. So the image is about 10 rows. So right now I've knitted 2 rows of green. Then I'm going to go ahead and knit 2 rows of yellow right now. 1, 2, that's 4 rows. Then right now I'm going to go and knit with orange 2 rows. So going and knit with orange right now, 2 rows. So you can see I'm using my hand to hold it because the antenna for the border is just 2. So you should learn how to use your hand to hold your yarn when knitting. So that's 6 row, guys. So that's 2 rows of orange right now. Then I'm going to go ahead and knit the next color, 2 rows of red, making 8 rows right now after 2 rows of red. So 1, 2, that's it. Then I want to cap it up with what I started with, the green. I just want to cap it up with the green so that the color can balance. So I'm going to use green right now, 2 rows, making 10 rows all together from the green to this next green right now. So going right now. 1, 2. So that's the full complete image. So I'm going to be interchanging this color just from the beginning again. you know I'm going to be interchanging it right now. So after the green, that is yellow. After yellow, that is orange. Then from orange to red. So I will just continue to interchange it and be knitting. Because if you get the first setting, the first set of it right, then you just need to be interchanging your colors. So the color is going to be in a place you want it to be if you get the first setting right. So right now, I've knitted green. Then I'm going to come down to knit yellow. So I'm going to change the green and pick up my yellow, insert properly, and knit 2 rows. One, two. Then the next color. So this is the next color. Knit 2 rows. One, two. Then red, 2 rows each. One, two. Then I'm going to go back to green right now. So I'm going to be alternating these colors, and you are going to be amazed with the results. So that's it. Then yellow. So guys, you can see what we have. You can see as the back side is so beautiful. So let's just see what we have at the front side. So I'm going to off all the setting right now and knit plain black so that we can see what we have. So guys, you can see what we have right now. You can see how beautiful this work is. And the main secret is, make sure from your punch card you get the starting of the image. Then after getting the starting of the image, you start to introduce your color, 2 rows each or 4 rows each. I can decide to do large, of this pattern right now, and decide to, knit with different colors as well. So this is the method of how to knit rainbows. You knit different colors against the background. You can see what we have right here, guys.